2, 3.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Edit with Charms. Today in this video I'll be showing you some interesting ways of adding multiple photos in your Instagram story. So without waiting further, let's get into the video. First step is to go to the Google Play Store. Then you have to search for the Microsoft Swift keyboard. To make it easier for you, I'll be giving the link in the description so you can check that out too. I have already installed it, so I'll be opening it from the app drawer. After opening the app, a pop-up will come to change your keyboard to the Microsoft Swift keyboard. After changing the keyboard, you can just open the Instagram story and you can choose whatever background you want for the picture. Then you have to click the emoji option. In the same row, there will be a pin option. In that, you will get all the images that you have saved or downloaded. The only drawback of this way of adding the multiple pictures is that you can only add the screenshots that you have saved, the camera roll pictures and the downloaded pictures. Other than that, you can't add any pictures that you have saved from the Pixart app or the edits you have made. But if you really want to add those other pictures too, there is another app in Play Store, so watch till the end to know that too. So the another way to add all the pictures from the gallery to your Instagram story is to again open the Play Store. Then you have to search for the GBOX keyboard. The link will be given in the description box, so check that out too. After installing the app, you can open it from Play Store directly. After opening the app, you have to click the GBOX keyboard option. Here also you have to enable the keyboard, that is the GBOX keyboard, from the settings or directly from the app. Then you have to change your default keyboard to the GBOX keyboard. Now you have to open the Instagram story again. As you can notice that this keyboard is not good for the daily use, so you can anytime change the keyboard to the Gboard keyboard, which is the default keyboard of Android. Now you can see the gallery option below the keyboard. Now you can see that this keyboard is way better than the Microsoft keyboard, but the only drawback is that you can't use this keyboard in a daily basis. But as I said before, you can change the keyboard to the Gboard anytime. So that's it. These were the two ways of adding multiple photos in your Instagram story. I may recommend you to use the second way as it is simple to use and you can change it to any other keyboard of your choice anytime. Also, if you use any of this way to add multiple photos in your Instagram story, then don't forget to tag me in your Instagram story. The ID will be displayed on your screen. So that's it for this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel below. Also, the further parts of the outline tutorial will be soon uploaded. So let's meet in my next video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.